Arvindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Arvindan's work was to arrange transport facilities for the people who are going from one pilgrimage place to the another pilgrimage means religious place. And Shiv Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways, and Shiv Prakashan work was to be a catering contractor, means he was arranging the eatable things in the Southern Railways. During the annual Shri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony. Sita Ram Kalyanam ceremony meaning is during the marriage ceremony of Sita Ram, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site. Abdul Kalam's family, they were arranging the boats with special platform, means they are arranging the boats at a special area which were carrying the idols of Lord Rama and Sita from the temple to the marriage site, situated in the middle of the pond called Ram Tirth, which marriage site they were taking the idols. They were taking the idols to the middle of the pond, which is known as Ram Tirth, which was near our house. Events from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet meaning is other religious persons, were the bedtime stories my mother and grandmother would tell the children in her family, and they were listening the Ramayana or the other stories from their grandmother or her mother, his mother, as when they were children. One day when I was in the 5th standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School, when he was in the 5th standard of Elementary School of Rameshwaram, a new teacher came to our class. I used to wear a cap, and that time Abdul Kalam was wearing a cap, which marked me as a Muslim. Which by that cap he was known as a Muslim. That it is known that he was belonging to a Muslim category, and I always sat in the front row next to Ramanandan Shastris, and he was sitting with the Ramanand Shastri on the front row of the class, who wore the sacred thread. And as Ramanand Shastri was a priest, or he belongs to a Brahmin family, then they are wearing the threads across their body. The new teacher could not stomach a Hindu priest son sitting with a Muslim boy, but the new teacher could not bear. Stomach meaning is could not bear that a Hindu priest son sitting with a Muslim boy. Why they were not considering it as a good thing? Because at that time the priest or the Brahmin had a they were at the highest level in the society, and the Muslim were at the lowest rank of the society. In accordance with the social ranking, as the new teacher saw it, as according to the new social ranking system, the teacher asked the Abdul Kalam to go and sit on the back bench, as the one lower caste and the higher caste, they were sitting together, and it's thing the teacher could not tolerate, so he told Abdul Kalam to go and sit at the back bench. I felt very sad, and so did Ramanand Shastri. Both friends felt very sad. He looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row, and he was feeling very sad, and even he had shown some kind of tears in his eyes when he was going to shift. Abdul Kalam was going to shift at the last row. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me, and the weeping sight of his friend, that is Ramanand Shastri, it has created a lasting effect, means he can't forget this think that how Ramanand Shastri wept when he was going to sit at the last row. After school, we went home. When they reached home, they told the this scene which happened in the school to their parents. Lakshman Shastri summoned the teacher. Lakshman Shastri, who was Lakshman Shastri, that is Ramanand Shastri's father, who was a highest priest. He summoned meaning is called the teacher, and in her presence told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the mind of innocent children. Then they told the teacher that he should not spread social inequality among the children, or he should not create the social differences between the mind of the innocent children. He bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school. He even told the teacher that he should say sorry to the children and quit the school, and even the city also. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, means he was feeling sorry, the teacher felt sorry, but the strong sense of conviction Lakshman Shastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher, and even the teacher has felt sorry. Then also the Lakshman Shastri conveyed, finally conveyed that there should be a reformed. This young teacher means the teacher should be uh, replaced. That they had told the children to leave the island. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of segregation of different social groups, and even the whole society was following this rigid rules, hard rules of segregation of different social groups, meaning is separation of different social group, that different social groups should stay differently in the society. However, my science teacher Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, though an orthodox Brahmin, even his science teacher was who was a orthodox Brahmin, means a true Brahmin with a very conservative wife. His wife was also following this social inequality system, was something of a rebel. He was a rebel, meaning is a great change, means he took a great change, or he had taken the steps towards a great change regarding this social inequality. He did his best to break social barriers so that the people from varying background could mingle easily, and he has done many things to improve this social inequality so that the people could mingle meaning is mix with each other easily, and even the lower caste or the upper caste, they can treat each other equally. He used to spend hours with me, and he was spending many hours of the day with Abdul Kalam, and would say, and also he was saying to Abdul Kalam, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. He said that Kalam he wanted, here I meaning is his teacher, science teacher, wanted him to develop so that uh, he is on par with the highly educated people, means he should be equal with the other highly educated people of the other big cities. One day he invited me to his home for a meal, and one day his science teacher, he meaning his science teacher whose name was Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, he invited Abdul Kalam at his home for the dinner purpose, meal meaning his dinner purpose. His wife was horrified, his wife was frightened as at the idea of Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen, because they were the Brahmin and Abdul Kalam was a Muslim, and she didn't like the idea of calling a Muslim boy for a dinner at in her pure kitchen. She refused to serve me. She even refused to serve Abdul Kalam in the kitchen. Shiva Subramaniam Iyer was not perturbed. Perturbed meaning is worried. He didn't worry, nor did he get angry with his wife, and neither he got angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands. But at the place of getting angry on his wife, he served Abdul Kalam with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat his meal. And even he sat down with Abdul Kalam for his food. His wife watched us, and Shiva Subramaniam Iyer's wife was looking towards them from behind the kitchen door. I wondered meaning is thinking or surprised. I was surprised. Abdul Kalam was surprised that whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice, drank water, or cleaned the floor after the meal, that whether she had found any kind of difference as they were eating food, they were drinking water, or they were cleaning the floor same way Abdul Kalam has done these things after his meal. When I was leaving his house, Shiva Subramaniam Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again the next weekend. And in the next weekend, he told to Abdul Kalam to come again for the dinner. But Abdul Kalam was hesitated because in the first time, Ayer's wife didn't treat him well. He thought that in the second time again she would not treat him well. Observing my hesitation, he told me not to get upset. By seeing his hesitation, Ayer told to Abdul Kalam not to get upset. He also said, once you decide to change the system, means if you have decided that you wanted to change the system, such problems have to be confronted meaning is faced. You have to face such problems. And when I visited his house the next weekend, when Abdul Kalam visited next weekend in his house, Shiva Subramaniam Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen. Even this time she served herself to Abdul Kalam. She took him to her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. Means they had changed the thinking of Iyer's wife. Then the Second World War was over, and at that time, or after the Second World War was over and India's freedom was imminent. Imminent meaning is sure. After the Second World War, it was sure that India would get its freedom. Indians will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. Gandhiji declared that Indian will build their own India after getting the independence, or after this Second World War. They declared that India will build their own India. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Means one kind of hope. Optimism meaning is hope. One kind of hope occurred in their heart that uh, there should be, or they will get a freedom. I asked my father for permission to leave Rameshwaram, and then he asked from his father that whether he could leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathampuram, that he could to take higher education, whether he could leave Rameshwaram and move to Ramanathampuram. He told me if he told me as if thinking aloud. Then he told Abdul Kalam's father told him, Abul, I know you have to go away to grow. Means if you want to achieve something, you have to leave this city. And he gave the example of seagull, that whether seagull is not flying across the sun alone and without a nest. Means if a seagull has to collect its food for their family, for his family, or even for herself, then she has to leave the nest and she has to fly across the sun alone. He quoted Khalil Gibran. Khalil Gibran is a philosopher. He quoted his thought and told to his Abdul Kalam's mother that your children are not your children. Means they are not only your children, they are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. Means they have their own life desires. Life longing meaning is they have their own desires in their life. They come through you. You had given them birth, but not from you. Means they you had given them birth, but you can't control them. You may give them your love, but not your thought. You can give her your love to them, but you can't change their thinking, for they have their own thoughts. Because they have their own thoughts, and to fulfill their aims, to achieve their aim, they have to go away from you.